everyone here is talking about chicken. So why do you prefer chicken? I mean, I just wanted to know if
chicken compared to other
other non-vegetarian items.
chicken more the first reason is it's tender juiciness it will be having. The second thing, the taste, good taste always you will get if you have a fresh chicken. It will be prepared well. Third thing is cost. Cost is also very reasonable. Fourth thing is the frequency. You can have daily if cost is less. You can have weekly thrice or four times. So all together, in my opinion, I like chicken.
And the mutton means regarding mutton, it's a credibility. Until and unless we see that it's butcher is cutting the mutton, there is a credibility point that can't identify mutton is of just goat or what.
I believe that why we prefer chicken is because the dishes that are there in this category of chicken that we get, they are much more popular among us rather than that we get for like other things like we eat fish. And on the other hand, we also require, I think, a bit of good cooking skills if you're talking about fish. And I mean, chicken is something
you
which
want
can
to say
be
that
made
it's easy to cook.
On the test, and I think so it is better test than other meats whatever we are taking, and my thinking is that it is easily available also, because if we are going for the meat or for fish we have to search, but if we are going for the chickens then it is easily available in any place. That's why I
if like in my place we don't have much awareness about much awareness about packed chicken that comes in the market. Second is, even if it is there, even if I know about it, it is not available. And third thing is, even if it's available, maybe we won't buy, because then again the freshness issue comes up, and then there is question of adulteration packed, even though you have you say that it was frozen and it was kept in refrigerator, then there's so much then there can be an electricity issue, because we don't have that much of electricity supplied in our area. So even if it was there, we cannot trust that yes, it was kept in refrigerator.
Okay, here one issue.
What's happening? The chicken, there is a one item that chicken powder comes. When you pour any meat in a water and just drop that chicken powder, it smells like a chicken. Means you can't differentiate that it's not a chicken. So that's what credibility point is over there, that a packed chicken can be adulterated.
And suppose that the pack
local butcher shop, we are going to see that, means we can see that he is cutting that chicken, and in a packed manner you can't see that who is cutting and where he is cutting.
What kind of animal that is animal, like we know it can be disease, but like in a butcher shop you come to see the animal right in front of your eyes, and now butcher shops have those animals which are already certified by veterinarians, and then
if you have available cheap.
Okay, this all has been discussed. Is there anything that you want to change about butcher chicken? Is there anything that you don't prefer or you don't like about butcher chicken? Is everything
If they maintain some cleanliness, just that's all.
list, I go for quality first. So then by the time that packed chicken it was packed, maybe it took around about, say, it will take some days by the time it reaches the actual retail shop and then to the consumer. It will take certain days, And when you go for a fresh chicken, it will be cut there and then, and you get it back.
and look, ma'am, one more. I'm educated. I can identify, I can distinguish between those. But the person who is really, because chicken consumption is not doing by only educated person, it is doing by all. So for common people, what is the guarantee about that? That there will not be any kind of imitations.
I think
Yeah.
consumer is going to get satisfaction.
Butcher sauce that we
Chicken?
likes this one, we don't like gizzard, we don't like heart, and we can prefer, we can show our preference in the
Dessert
sauce.
pots.
We can't show our preference in the
Like it is so many, we are working on so many assumptions that if you provide credibility, if you provide this, what is the criteria of providing a credibility? How will we
Until
come
and
to know
unless
about that?
you will not change the perception of customer, no one will buy your product.
Like we have been consuming this for the past 20-23 years. It would be
Yes.
extremely difficult,
Extremely
to
difficult.
change us into something which is new and
If I will
something very
purchase,
different.
I have to convince my family first. 1,000
are different. My concerns are only regarding the availability, ease of availability, and regarding the freshness of the product. Nothing else.
We provide you like you get under the same roof you get both fresh chicken but a higher price and packed chicken with a lower price. As in the case of VKS Farms, which provides such kind of combination at its own retail outlets. So then, what would you prefer? It is accessible to you, like.
because our thinking is that if he is going to give us very cheap
we
price,
are getting the two products. That product, why I will like live chicken, why I will prefer, because anyway it will be going cut and all the dressing and everything they will do within 25-30 minutes. Hardly it takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Hardly it takes 10 minutes. Why not to wait another 10 minutes to get a live chicken and to live product, then to go for the any frozen product or anything. So I will be waiting. I will choose that live chicken only.
You also said
chicken, because there is chance for the adulteration in the packed chickens, and we go for the butcher shop and we can see directly what are the butchers doing and their packaged meat at the time, and that's why I will go for the live chicken, because it is fresh ones and also it is healthiest and juicy and we call tastiest too.
I will go for ready to cook chicken because it is made available at low cost, being processed and being hygienic.
If packaged chicken satisfy my desire related to my taste, then I'll definitely prefer for the packaged chicken.
I will prefer the RTC chicken if I get it at lower price and fulfill the all criteria.